Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Mac OS version and signing in as an admin. This matters because options differ between Ventura and earlier Mac OS. Once done, open System Settings or System Preferences. In System Settings, you'll find sections organized differently, so make sure you're in the correct pane for Control Center and Dock and Menu Bar. This first actionable step locates where the menu bar options live, so you can change visibility and now you navigate to Dock and Menu Bar or Control Center and look for visibility toggles. You'll toggle Automatically Hide and show the menu bar on for desktop, and if offered, on the lock screen or in full screen. Make sure to check per app entries below. Some apps can force the bar visible, so disable those if you want consistent hiding. Once toggled, move the pointer to the top to confirm it hides and reappears as expected, testing across a couple of apps. To finalize, restart the Finder or log out and back and so the new setting applies everywhere. This makes sure the menu bar behaves consistently. If the bar still stays visible, check for third-party utility apps that manage menus and quit or uninstall them. As a deeper step, reset NVRAM or boot into safe mode to see if the problem disappears. This isolates software conflicts. If safe mode fixes it, remove recently added apps, and then restart normally to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.